Office cleaners should use specific personal protective equipment every shift to reduce exposure to chemicals, biological agents, and physical hazards. For daily work, we recommend nitrile or latex alternative gloves that fit well and are replaced whenever torn or contaminated, plus heavy-duty gloves for handling sharps or waste. Choose size and thickness to balance dexterity with chemical resistance. Use fluid-resistant surgical-style masks when cleaning high-touch or high-traffic areas and during tasks that generate sprays or aerosols. Switching to higher filtration respirators only when local risk assessments indicate airborne hazards. Ensure masks sit snugly and replace them if damp. Eye protection is critical when using spray cleaners or bleach solutions, so wear splash goggles that seal around the eyes rather than simple safety glasses for better protection. Aprons or disposable gowns protect clothing from splashes and cross-contamination. Select reusable washable options for sustainability or disposable ones for heavy contamination tasks. Non-slip, closed-toe shoes with puncture-resistant soles prevent slips and injuries from dropped objects. Avoid canvas shoes that soak up liquids. Train staff on donning and doffing procedures and provide hand hygiene stations, so gloves are not seen as a substitute for washing hands after tasks that may transfer contaminants. 3 common mistakes I see are using the wrong glove material for the chemicals in use, which can lead to permeation and skin injury, so always consult chemical safety data sheets and rotate to a chemically resistant glove when required. Another issue is poor fit and reuse of disposable masks or gloves to save costs, which reduces protection and increases contamination risk, so establish replacement protocols and inventory planning to avoid shortages. Finally, some teams skip eye protection and aprons during quick tasks because they seem minor, yet splashes happen fast, so make these items standard issue and include compliance checks during routine walkthroughs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a forum where users and professionals exchange practical cleaning and safety tips. We use our community discussions to surface real-world experiences and help both homeowners and contractors find working partners and share best practices.